Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best automotive tools and equipment. Today, we're talking about the Orion MotorTech AC Manifold Gauge Set, and let me tell you, this is the best R134a Manifold Gauge Set you'll find for your car's air conditioning system. Whether you're a professional HVAC technician or a DIY enthusiast, the Orion MotorTech AC Manifold Gauge Set is designed to deliver precision, durability, and ease of use. It includes everything you need for refrigerant charging, evacuation, and system diagnostics, with compatibility for R134a, R12, R22, and R502 refrigerants. First up, let's talk about the gauges. The 68mm hybrid anti-shock gauges are built to last. They combine the best of dry and liquid-filled designs, offering excellent wear resistance and shock protection. They're perfect for withstanding rough conditions in the field, ensuring you get accurate pressure readings every time, whether it's for high or low pressure. Now, this set comes with 3 color-coded hoses: blue for low pressure, red for high, and yellow for charging, each with a reinforced 4-layer PVC design. These hoses are capable of handling pressures up to 600 psi with a burst pressure of 3000 psi, making them highly durable and safe for regular use. The quick couplers are another highlight of this kit. They feature adjustable R134a quick couplers, ensuring a tight and secure fit. You won't have to worry about leaks or poor connections when you're working with this set. Included in the package are both self-sealing and puncture-style contaps. This means you can use it with both new and older refrigerant canisters, giving you the flexibility you need no matter what type of system you're working with. The Orion MotorTech AC Manifold Gauge Set is built for ease of use, with clear and easy-to-read dials that make refrigerant handling simple. The compact, blow-molded case ensures everything stays organized and protected when you're not using it. If you're looking for reliability, versatility, and high-quality performance, this is the manifold gauge set you need. It's ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike, and it's a must-have tool for anyone maintaining or repairing automotive AC systems. That's all for today's review of the Orion MotorTech AC Manifold Gauge Set. Make sure to check it out for yourself and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.